With a good understanding of one of the most critical inputs to material requirements planning, the bill of materials, it is important that you understand that there are many different types of bills of materials. While we won't get into every detail of each of the bills of material, we will introduce a number of them. Some different types of bill of materials are single-level bill of materials, multi-level bill of materials, planning bill of materials, manufacturing bill of materials, engineering bill of materials, sales bills of material, and many, many more. In the upcoming modules, we will introduce each of these bills of materials to you. We'll see you in the next module.